Opening. Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're exploring something that really shook up the dev world, Node.js. Node.js is often called a game changer. Why? Well, let's find out what makes it so revolutionary. Why Node.js was a big deal. It all starts with JavaScript, a language millions of developers already know from front-end work. Node.js brought JavaScript to the server, which was a massive shift. Suddenly, developers could build full-stack apps using just one language. The performance secret Node.js is fast, really fast. That's because it uses Chrome's V8 engine, which compiles JavaScript straight into machine code for high performance. But Node does more than just use V8. Its real magic is in how it handles asynchronous, non-blocking operations. How it works. Traditional servers create a new thread for every request. That's like assigning a waiter to each customer, even if they just want water. Not scalable. Node.js? It uses a single-threaded, event-driven model. Think one smart waiter taking all orders, sending them to the kitchen, and helping the next customer while food is being prepared. It doesn't wait on long tasks like database calls or file reads. It kicks them off, then moves on. This makes Node super efficient, perfect for APIs, real-time apps, and microservices. Unifying the stack. Here's the other game changer. Front-end devs can now build back-end logic with JavaScript too. That means simpler workflows, shared code between client and server, and a more unified development process. Modern features. Node also gives devs control over ECMAScript versions, so you're not stuck with outdated syntax. Use the latest features without waiting on browser support. Conclusion. So Node.js isn't just another backend tool. It changed how we build web apps. By combining raw performance with JavaScript unification, it reshaped full-stack development.